Find out best insect catcher. Find the right brand most important. Future service and parts availability check it. Products available on shopping sites. Easy to buy, but after the return period. If any problems comes on device, how can you fix? Accessories, product body parts, service pickup, extended warranty. These all facilities available on shopping sites? Yes, OneTurn offers all facilities. Compare OneTurn and other sellers, find out what our services are we are offering. That's from directly manufacturer. 10 days money back coverage. 14 days free replacements. We offers accessories for all models. Exclusively we offering body parts for models. Even if 1 or 2-year-old machines simply replace body parts, like front door, side panel, catching tray, grid layer and more. Finally, the buyer protection coverage. We offers 3 years product buyback coverage. Every seller's taking new orders. Here we are. A new service offering. OneTurn offers repair order option. Repair your old unit and continue to use. Save money. Find outlet or dealers near you.